Welcome to the Thunderdome, Bukowski. My wife has told me not to go over 5 minutes in my remarks, and if I do, I'll still be 2 hours shorter than the Mass this afternoon. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Bob Nolan. I have the honor of saying that Stan has been my best friend for the past 17 years, so I think I can speak confidently on this matter. Webster's Dictionary defines hero as a person who is admired or idolized for courage, outstanding achievements, or noble qualities. In the past 17 years, I have endured 6,000 fat jokes, 541 redhead or ginger jokes, and 214 pale jokes to make it to the stage tonight. Stan would lovingly call me loose leaf and tell everyone within earshot to alert the townspeople to put on their welding goggles every time I took my shirt off. So am I a hero? I can't say yes, but probably. As I look around this room, there's so many emotions on people's face. Stan's mom is obviously beaming with pride for the man her son has become, and also who he has chosen to spend the rest of his life with. There's also some sadness there. For the past 35 years, she has been the most important woman in Stan's life. Today, she gives that title to Haley. Mr. B just has that overwhelming sense of relief because I'm sure he thought he was either going to be me or Steve up here in a white dress. So. And while many of you are familiar with the suave, polished healthcare mogul you see up here today, the Stan that I met back in 2007 at an Oak Lawn house party was substantially different. He had a gallon of Axe body spray on, wore the most obnoxious Ed Hardy apparel, and 20 minutes into the party, he proclaimed that this party blows and that he was going to call one of his buddies to get his drink on. I hated him instantly, but I was very relieved in the fact that I would probably never see him ever again. It wasn't until our first canoe trip until that hatred melted away into a brotherhood. That'll happen when you finish a case of Busch Light together, throwing machetes at tree stumps under the Rockford moonlight at 3 a.m. But ever since that day, Stan has been someone I have looked up to, and there are a million different reasons why. We would go to college parties together where we didn't know a soul. I would come back from the bathroom and there'd be a crowd of 20 people around him. There he was, telling a story that had everyone crying with laughter. He has this aura and energy around him that you just wanted to be around. There's over 300 people here tonight, and I'm sure Stan and Haley could have invited much more. But what I and many love about him the most is his unwavering commitment to improve the lives of everyone around him. The son of Polish immigrants, Stan didn't have the academic resources that many of us in this room had, yet he excelled in school through hard work, determination, and yeah, he occasionally cheated off of Steve in his classes. He works harder than anyone that I know. And the reason why isn't for personal glory or to show off his bank account. It's to improve and enrich the lives of everyone around him. Bought his mom a BMW. He employs over 350 people, many of whom we grew up with. I myself am starting with this company in a few short weeks. Which reminds me, if anyone needs healthcare coverage, come see me after my remarks. I'll be at the head table. Every person or situation that Stan comes into contact with instantly becomes better. I'm walking and breathing proof of that. So what makes Stan better? Hey, I I've never met someone who compliments Stan the way that Haley does. She radiates warmth and happiness wherever she goes. She makes everyone feel comfortable and welcomed. My daughters refer to her as Aunt Haley. Stan? They just refer to him as Stan. I'm just so happy that someone who was born blind was able to find the love that she so readily... She's not blind. Okay. She can actually see what he looks like? Oh, Jesus. All right. So before we raise our glasses, I've had a couple people come up to me and ask me, I want to assure everyone, it is in fact an open bar. So for the first time in his life, Stan is actually going to pick up a check. Alright? So let's raise our glasses. Nostrovius for the happy couple. I love you both more than I can even put in words. Cheers, everybody.